If you don't know where to get jQuery library, go over to google.com and search for jQuery download. Click the first link, which will take you to jQuery.com/download. Where you can see different flavors of the library file. Click on the production version because this has been minified and compressed. Save the file in your project directory. The jQuery library is a single JavaScript file and you reference it with the HTML script tag inside head section. If you don't want to download and host jQuery yourself, you can include it from a CDN or content delivery network. Scroll down a little bit and click Google CDN. Copy and paste this script tag inside head. One big advantage of using the hosted jQuery from Google or Microsoft is that many users already have downloaded jQuery from Google or Microsoft when visiting another site. As a result, it will be loaded from cache when they visit your site, which leads to faster loading time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.